Hey everyone, welcome to our journey into the world of SwiftUI. Today's adventure is all about the text style. But hold on, we are not just scratching the surface, we are diving deep into the code. So buckle up and let's get started. Alright, first thing first, let's get a quick rundown. We are delving into the magic of text styling in SwiftUI. Why? Because sometimes the default just won't cut it. We want our text to pop, to stand out, to represent our app unique style. And that's where text styling sweeps in. Now, let me lay out the game plan. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topic. First of all, we are going to talk about what is text in SwiftUI, how to create a view modifier for our text, what kind of customization can we make to the text, and last but not least, how to use our view modifier to create a custom text. Hold your seats. We are about to unleash the power of creating our very own view modifier. Check this out. We are adding icons to the text like pros. And guess what? It's surprisingly simple once you see it in action. Wrapping it up, folks, we have unlocked the secret of text styling, mastered ViewModifier, and even created our own icon-infused text. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Thanks for joining our SwiftUI adventure today. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your coding pals, and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch up in the next one. Peace out.